by the end of today's video, you'll know exactly how to play We Three Kings. And we are having fun today. So I'm David, and I have helped thousands of children just like you to learn how to play this song so they can delight family and friends at Christmas time. So let the fun begin and let's jump straight in.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
I'm going to start teaching, and I just want you to follow along and go at your own speed and pace. Please remember, you can pause and re-watch the video at any point. I'm going to be using my thumb to pluck the strings like this. But if you have a guitar pick, it's also okay to use that too. So now we're going to jump straight into the tutorial and have your best concentration with you, and let's have some fun. This is going to be a great first Christmas song for you. So let's have fun, take our time and do our best.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Star in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts, and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Star in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine!
And you want more guitar adventures with me and Bumper? Make sure to subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be notified when I post new exciting videos just like this one. So if your guitar playing is a little bit buzzy and the notes don't quite sound correct and you feel a little bit frustrated, I'm just going to quickly go through 3 things that are going to help with that and to get you to sound the notes correctly before we jump in to playing Jingle Bells. Okay, so the first one is we want to play on our fingertips rather than the fleshy part. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to draw a line on my fingertip, and hopefully you can see that. So that's about where the string wants to be on your fingertips. Okay? The fleshy part of the finger isn't great for pushing the strings down because it's soft. Here we've got more bone. And that means that we always want our fingers to be curled into the strings. That's number 1. So number 2 is that when we play notes, we want to be behind the fret. So this metal strip here is what we call the fret, and this is what we call the first fret. So we don't want to be on the fret like this. We want to be at the side of the fret. And that's the easiest place to push the string down. Okay, so once we're at the side of the fret, we want to keep the string pinned to the fretboard. So we don't want to release the pressure, because what can happen is if we get a really nice sounding note and we let go, then we get that buzzing sound again. So you've got to keep the string pinned to the fretboard. Okay, so then the third thing is thumb placement. So our thumb wants to be pointing upwards and on the back of the neck, because there we can get more leverage between the thumb and the fingers, and that helps with more pressure on pushing the strings down. Try those three things and it will cure the buzziness and get you to sound some really clear notes. Hi, it's David here, just jumping in really quickly. If your little one has just shown an interest in learning to play the guitar, or you'd like to see your precious one to play their first song, or maybe you've tried so many times and given up, whatever your goal, I'm here to help you succeed. And I have this saying, well begun is half done. So today I'm introducing my brand new book, which is called Guitar Star in 30 Days. It has 30 fun daily lessons to complete over the next 30 days. So you can see here on day one, we just take tiny steps. So day one is to get to know all the parts of the guitar. And then we have a fun colouring challenge here. And we just take tiny steps towards building up foundational skills. And then we move on to learning songs. And the book also has checklists at the end of each stage, so you can test your knowledge. And there's also a fun quiz here as well, and tick boxes. So you know exactly where you are on this journey. Of fun facts that you can learn along the way. And the fonts are really big, so it's just easy for your child to read. And it's very colourful as well. So it's a very engaging book. This low-cost book is very well structured, and it comes with a checklist so you can tick off and to know exactly where you are on your journey. And it also has a fun quiz as well, so you can test your knowledge along the way. And we have some fun, cool facts for you to learn. So it's just an incredibly enjoyable experience. So all you do is just follow the daily challenges. It's all laid out here. And it comes with notes, so it's telling you exactly what you need to practice and what to do. And over the next 30 days, you're going to progress to playing your first songs. This book is born from my 24 years as a full-time guitar teacher, teaching children. So everything I've seen work over those 24 years has gone into Guitar Star in 30 days. Day 30 is your Guitar Star performance. So this is where you can perform in front of family and friends, grandma, mum, dad. And it's just going to be a really delightful experience for you. And not only that, we are rewarding you with a completion certificate that you can cut out of the book, and then also you can stick it on the fridge, you can frame it just to celebrate your win. And you want to be proud to say, I'm getting better. You can now get your digital printable copy of Guitar Star in 30 days by clicking the link in the description of this video. And by purchasing this low-cost book, you're really helping to support the channel and future videos like this, and build a community of people who feel like they matter. It's been an honor teaching you today, and I appreciate you being here and doing your best. And if you'd love to learn some more Christmas songs, there is a Christmas songs playlist in the description of this video. I'm David Aldridge, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.